This is the 10th year of the Willingness Team, a team of diverse professionals.
In these 10 years, we have seen 5,721 people who needed a space to improve their mental and sexual well-being.
969 of these struggled with anxiety.
228 people sought our help for depression.
These 5,721 people came from 37 different countries. We made this possible thanks to professionals who speak various languages.
Research shows that from the people who seek help, only 30% tend to be male. In our case, we have managed to boost this up to 48%.
And that's not all. We got top people in their fields, locally and internationally, to train us on topics not normally taught in professional courses. We discussed over 23 taboo topics, ranging from miscarriage to the mental health of medics.
We are always true to our values by fighting for what we believe is right.
We gave over 100 free talks to NGOs and student organizations.
We have given over 250 subsidized sessions to people who needed the help but genuinely could not afford it.
We are currently a team of 49 people, ready to help.
Team of 18 childminders who spent over 8,000 hours caring for your children while you were in a meeting or on a date night.
The numbers are exciting, but they wouldn't mean anything without our excellent feedback. Our mission statement is dedicated towards excellence, not numbers.
Despite this steady growth, over the past 10 years, we have managed to maintain an average feedback of excellence.
This is our way of fighting mental health stigma. A welcoming and homely hub and clinic. A highly trained team of professionals that are regularly supervised. Minimal waiting time until you get a reply and see a professional. And no waiting time at the hub or clinic. A service specifically tailored to suit your individual needs.
This is how, at Willingness, we feel that mental health stigma should be fought. By treating you like you were our own mom. How do you think we should be fighting mental health stigma together?